Hello, everybody. Oops. I am coming here to you from my Gmail so that I can show you how to invite somebody to a Hangout. Okay, so when you're in Gmail, if you look down at the bottom, you see how it says Hangouts Contacts, and you go down here and you enter a name. So you enter my name. I'm going to enter my husband's name, Doer S. And I've already done it. So at Hawkmail, and remember, I'm doerj@hawkmail.newpaltz.edu. Okay, then you're going to see my name pop up, and you're going to click on it. Okay, and I'm going to say new Hangout. I think he just did an invitation to me. Maybe he did an invitation to me. Let me try that again. So I'm going to hit the video call, and it should call him. See, it's calling him. Blinka, blinka, blinka. And where is he? There he is. So that's my husband. Say hi, husband.
Hi, husband.
Okay. Now, the other thing that you can do on Google Hangouts, folks, is you can share your screen. So if you're talking to me and you have something that you need to share with me, you just click on the three little things up in the corner. He's ignoring us now. And you hit share screen. Now, this lets me, I have two monitors, but this lets me see something that you're working on so that I can help you as we're going, okay, as we're talking. Okay. So, and then you can hit stop screen sharing if you just want it to be just a video call. Okay. So thank you, Sunny, for being our demo guest. I love you, honey. Bye, everybody. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Thanks, Mom.